Good day everyone! Welcome ulit sa aking channel. Ang ating topic naman ngayon is about identifying terms related to a circle. Well, I guess ito ay para naman sa ating mga grade 5 learners. Sila naman ang ating tutulungan ngayong araw na ito. At first, let us define circle. Circle is a round-shaped figure that has no corners or edges. So alam natin na wala itong corner, wala rin siyang edge. Okay? Ito yung pagkakabilog mismo, yung kulay blue na inyong nakikita. Wala siyang corner, wala siyang edge. In geometry, a circle can be defined as a closed, two-dimensional curve shape. Dahil ito ay yung pinag-ugnay na dalawang curve, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na circle. Okay? It is the set of all points in a plane with the same distance from a center point. If you notice, meron tayong kulay pula sa gitna, yun yung tinatawag nating center point. And this point is called the center of the circle, syempre pa. A is the center and the name of the circle is circle A. Ibig sabihin yan, kung ano yung letter na gagamitin nyo dun sa center point, ayun ang magiging name of a circle. For example, ang ginamit mong letter ay J, so that is circle J. Kung halimbawa naman ang ginamit mong letter ay M, so that is circle M. So once again, kung ano yung letter na ginamit mo dun sa gitna, na magne-name ng point, yun ang magiging name ng circle. Our next term is a chord. When we say chord, it is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle. So line segment joining 2 points on the circle. In circle A, segment CE. Ito. If you notice, ito yung segment CE. Okay? Segment CE is a chord. Okay? Bakit siya naging chord? Kasi nga sabi doon, it is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle. 1 point for C and then another point for E. So, points on the circle. Another is BG or segment BG. So, ito naman yung segment BG. Okay? So, segment BG is another example of a chord. Well, in this case, pwede rin natin i-consider itong segment BF na ito. So, pero itong segment BF na to, ito ay hindi siya ordinary chord. Bakit? Kasi mamaya, we'll find out kung ano ba ang tawag dito sa chord passing through a center. So, ilang chords meron dito? Isa, segment CE, dalawa, segment BG, at tatlo, segment BF. Pero sabi nga natin, yung segment BF is not an ordinary chord. Meron siyang katawagan kapag ang chord ay nag-pass through sa center. Take note, kapag ang chord ay nag-pass through sa center, yun ang longest chord among the chords. So, alam na natin yan. Okay? After a chord, let us have this diameter. When we say diameter, it is a chord that connects 2 points on the circle. And every diameter is a chord. The diameter goes straight across the circle through the center. In circle A, segment BF is a diameter. Yun. Kanina, sabi ng sir, yung segment BF is a chord. At sabi ko rin na dahil nag-pass through siya sa center, meron siyang katawagang kanya. Kaya sabi natin, it is not an ordinary chord. Ang tawag pala dun sa chord na nag-pass through o magpa-pass through sa center ay diameter. At kagaya ng binanggit ko, diameter is the longest chord. So tandaan, diameter is the longest chord. Gets? Gets. Radius is a line segment from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Ibig sabihin nun, simula sa center, papunta to any point on the circle. Kung mapapansin nyo sa figure natin, ito yung from point A, yung papunta sa point D, yung kulay green. At syempre pa, tingnan natin, ito yon from point A papunta sa point D. So ito yung radius na kung saan siya ay segment AD. Another is from point A papunta sa point B na kung saan ay segment AB. And then next we have from point A papunta sa H, segment AH. And last, from A papunta sa F, segment AF. At dahil siya ay marami, tinawag siyang radii. Kasi ang plural form ng radius ay radii. And take note, children, that the radius of a circle is 1/2 the diameter. Kanina, yung segment BF is our diameter. And if you notice, pag hinati pala siya sa gitna, will give us 2 radius. Na kung saan, sabi nga, the measure of the radius is 1/2 of the diameter. So, klaro sa atin to. Okay? Ayos. Our next term is a central angle. When you say central angle, it is an angle formed by 2 radii. Tandaan, angle formed by 2 radii. In circle A, angle BAD. Nasaan kaya yung angle BAD? This is angle BAD. Yan yung na-create. So, ibig sabihin, eto si angle BAD. Okay, itong portion na to. So, tanggalin natin to. Okay, so yan. So, again, kapag sinabing angle BAD, okay, eto siya. Yung angle BAD. And then angle BAH, BAH. Ito naman yung angle BAH. And angle HAF, yun, ito naman, HAF. Or FAH, pwede rin. So, ang tawag dito sa tatlong ito ay central angle. Bakit nga? Kasi if you notice, angle BAD here is what? Formed by 2 radii. Na kung saan meron tayong segment AB at segment AD. Dahil sila ay pinagkonekta, naka-form ng angle. At ang tawag doon ay central angle. Okay? Inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle. It is defined by 2 chords of the circle sharing an endpoint. In circle A, angle FBG is an inscribed angle. So angle F, and then B, and then G. So nasan yung angle FBG? Eto. So this angle FBG or angle GBF is an example of an inscribed angle. Bakit? Kasi ang kanilang vertex, ito yung point B, is on the circle. Okay? It is defined by 2 chords of the circle sharing an endpoint. Ano yung 2 chords na nag-share ng endpoint? Yun. Yung chord BF, segment BF, at yung chord na BG, segment BG. Which, of course, ang nag-share sila doon ay sa common point, common endpoint na point B. Okay? So, tatandaan, pag sinabing inscribed angle, ito yung angle whose vertex is on the circle. Dapat na doon sa kulay blue, dito sa figure na ito, ang endpoint. Okay? So, yun ang tinatawag nating inscribed angle. So, learning task number 1. The figure at the right is a circle with center at M. Name the following. So ano nga ang center natin dito? Ay ang center natin ay point M o yung M. Okay? Ano ang 4 radii natin? So from the center ay meron tayong MA or segment MA. Okay? Ang center natin ay point M. So, meron tayong radii, radius na segment MA. What else? Ito, segment MT. Okay, dalawa. Tapos, meron tayong segment MI. Yun, tatlo. Segment MI. At ang pinakahuli ay segment MH. So, segment MH. So, yan yung ating radii. Okay, now, diameter. Ito yung chord na nag-pass through sa center. In this given, ang chord na nag-pass through sa center, ayun, yung chord or segment ay H or segment HI. Next, at least two central angles. Sabi natin, dapat ang angle ay nasa gitna. Yung vertex angle ay nasa gitna. Ayun, angle AMT. So, lagyan natin angle AMT or angle TMA, the same. What else? Ito, meron tayong angle dito, AMI. So, angle AMI or IMA. What else? Ito, meron tayong central angle na to, TMH. Angle TMH or angle HMT. Okay? Now, kung gusto mong mas malaki, pwede rin namang itong angle na to, yung bukang ito. Angle AMH. Kung gusto mo ng mas malaki, angle AMH. Okay? So, syempre pa, pwede rin namang mas malaki itong kabila. Halimbawa, itong TMI. Pwede rin. Angle TMI. Okay? So, pwede. Ano? So, ngayon, if you notice, yung M palaging nasa sa gitna. Kasi nga, siya yung common endpoint. Siya yung tumatayong vertex ng central angle. Okay? Ayos? Ayos. Now, ano naman yung inscribed angle? Well, in this case, ang two chords na nag-join, tapos yung vertex ay on the circle ay ito lang. Itong angle na ito. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong H, I, E. So, we have angle H, I, E. Or angle E, I, H. Yun ang ating inscribed angle. Okay? Now, what are the two chords? Ang chords natin dito ay yung 2 points on the circle. So, yun, pwedeng I, E. So, we have segment I, E or segment EI. Alin pa? Yun, yung T at saka itong C. So, segment CT or segment TC. Okay? So, syempre pa, pwede natin i-consider yung chord na IH. Pero sabi nga natin, yung segment IH is considered as a diameter. Pero kung hinihingi ng pagkakataon, sabi natin diameter is the longest chord, so pwedeng mapabilang yung segment IH as chord. At dahil two chords lang naman ang hinihingi, siguro ang tinutukoy na lang dito ay yung segment IE and segment CT. Gets natin? Gets. Learning task 3, write true if the statement is correct. If not, write false. The diameter of the circle is twice the length of the radius. Sabi natin kanina, 2 times the radius is equivalent to a diameter. Ibig sabihin, this is what? True. Okay? Tama ano? The diameter is twice the length of the radius. Next, the longest chord in a circle is the diameter. Yun, nasabi natin kanina. The longest chord in a circle is the diameter. So, ibig sabihin, this is also true. Okay? If a radius measures 12 centimeters, then the measures of the diameter is 6 centimeters. So, ang sagot dito sa number 3 ay false. Okay? Bakit? Kasi ang given radius ay 12 cm. Para makuha yung diameter times 2, dapat ang lalabas ay 24 cm at hindi 6 cm. Okay? Now, number 4. The length of every chord in a circle is always greater than the length of a radius. Well, maaaring hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Kasi for example, ito yung circle, tapos meron kang radius na ganyan. Meron ka namang chord na gaganito ang sukat, yung magkalapit na magkalapit lang, for example. Diba, mas mahaba yung length of radius compared to chord of this circle. Diba? So, hindi at all times ay yung chord ay greater than the length of a radius. So, may pagkakataon na mas mahaba ang radius compared to a chord. Lakihan natin, tingnan natin para mas clear. So, ito yung malaking circle. Ito yung from the center to any point. Meron tayong radius. What if kung ito naman yung chord na binigay lang? So, alin ang mas mahaba? Yung bang radius o yung given chord? Siyempre pa, yung radius compared to this chord. Kaya hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, ang chord ay greater than the length of a radius. So, pwede natin itong i-consider as false. The vertex of the central angle is the center of the circle. Tama yun. Kasi kung meron tayong central angle, ang vertex palagi niya ay nasa gitna or nasa center ng circle. So this one is true. Okay? The vertex of an inscribed angle is any point inside the circle. Inside ba? Hindi. Dapat yun ay on the circle. Kaya this is false. Wala sa loob ng circle, wala dito. Diba? Wala sa loob. Kundi naandito dapat sa on the circle. We can draw circles with different sizes, but the same center, yes, it is. Pwede. Pare-pareho ang center. Tapos pag nagkaiba-iba ang radius, makakadraw na tayo ng circles with same center. A line and a circle can intersect in just one point. Ibig sabihin lang yan, kung may circle, meron ka lang ditong line na makikreate. Meron lang siyang isang point of intersection. Ang tawag doon mga bata ay point of tangency. So a line and a circle can intersect in just one point. Yes. True. Kung meron kang line or tangent line. Pwede. Okay? Now, pero pag ang pinag-usapan diyan mga bata ay line na nag-pass through dito sa circle, ay di meron na siyang 2 points. Pero sabi nga natin, ito naman yung second line. Okay? Kaya, can intersect, can naman, can. So, syempre true pa rin. Okay? Kapag 2 points, tapos line ang ginamit, ang tawag doon second line. Kapag 1 point, ang tawag doon tangent line. Okay? Next, every diameter intersects the circle in exactly 2 points. So, every diameter intersects the circle in exactly 2 points. Yes, it is. Hindi naman po pwedeng maging 3. Hindi rin pwedeng maging 1. Dapat 2 lang. And a circle is labeled by its center point. So, ano yung ating letter na ginamit sa center? Yun ang magiging name of a circle. Kaya, this one is true. Okay?